Make flat work less work with Tomahawk Power Screeds, the ultimate finishing tool for professional concrete jobs. Today, we'll walk you through the steps to get your screed ready for use. Tomahawk Screeds ship in two pieces, the engine unit and the blade. Carefully remove all parts from the box. If anything's missing, contact your shipping carrier immediately. To assemble the screed, you'll need an adjustable wrench, a 13mm wrench, a 19mm socket and impact drill. Start by inserting the handle connectors into the base of the screed. Fasten in place using a bolt, 2 rubber washers, 2 regular washers, and a nut. Tighten using a 13mm wrench. Repeat this process on the other side. Next, slide the handlebars over the connectors. Secure in place with a bolt, 2 rubber washers, 2 regular washers, and a nut. Tighten using a 13mm wrench. To attach the kickstand, feed a bolt through the frame in the kickstand using 2 rubber washers. Finally, lock it in place with a pin. To attach the blade, carefully remove the screed board from its tube packaging. Place the bolts through the back of the blade and the base of the screed. Add a washer, a locking washer, and nut to each bolt. First, hand tighten, then secure the bolts with a 19mm socket and impact drill. To prep the engine, fill the oil reservoir with exactly 100 milliliters, or 3.4 ounces, of SAE 10W30 4-stroke motor oil. Do not overfill, as this could flood the engine. Next, fill the engine's fuel tank with gasoline with a pump octane rating of 86 or higher. To start the engine, press the fuel injection bulb 3 to 5 times, until fuel is seen flowing through the fuel lines. Place the throttle lever in the idle position and move the choke lever to the closed position. Finally, pull the recoil starter grip until you feel resistance. Then pull briskly. Gradually open the choke as the engine warms up. For the best results, screed in long, parallel strips, overlapping each pass by 12 to 18 inches to ensure consistent height and smooth transitions. Keep the concrete level by adjusting it along the blade's face to prevent buildup. For more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your Tomahawk products, click subscribe today.